Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox one of my Grove Collaborative shipments. It just came the other day. I haven't opened it, so I'm excited. Alright, let's break into this creature. If you haven't heard of Grove Collaborative, it is a company that is a certified bee company, and they sell cleaning products that are all natural and they don't have any harsh chemicals. So I've been getting them for several months now, I feel like. I don't know how long. 6 months maybe a little bit less. Been getting them for a while. Woohoo, packing. So got a couple different things in this shipment. So this is organic dental solution. So this is a toothbrush and toothpaste for Bentley. Gotta have the doggies. So this toothbrush looked really nice because some of the ones I've gotten at pet stores just like aren't that great. So excited to try that one. Hopefully he likes it. And then this is a new little room refresher that I wanted to try. I have the, what is this? Caldray, I think that's how you say it. That's how I'm saying it. I have the sea salt neroli, I think it's called, and I enjoy that one, but I kind of wanted to try some other ones. So let's see what this one smells like. Oh, this is good. Oh wow, I really like this one. I might like this one more than sea salt neroli. This is a Tangelo palm frond. It smells, I mean, it has like a citrus scent. Like it definitely has like an orangey citrus. There's like a little bit of like lemon. But it kind of has like a beachy scent too to it. Like, oh, that smells good. I think I like this one a little bit more than sea salt neroli. Yeah, I'll have to spray this and see, because I feel like all of those, like, you know, obviously in the bottle they're so concentrated, and then once you spray them, like, they kind of smell a little bit different. So I'm excited to spray that. Well, here, why don't we just spray it? Get crazy. Whoops. Let's unlock it. Oh. Okay, that was like perfume. Oh yeah, that smells really good sprayed. It's like, it's just a really light citrusy, it's not really floral, it's just like a light citrus, like earthy air smell, like a fresh summer breeze with like little hints of citrus. Oh, I like this one. That's my new favorite. Okay, I got more apple cider, the Miss Meyer's cleaning spray. I love this stuff. This one, I think you saw in my cleaning video of my kitchen, then I was using this, and I wanted to get another container just before they sell out. So I'll probably use this scent, you know, it's like, what is it? It's like mid to end September right now. So I'll probably use this for September and October. So I mean, this is probably good. So I definitely like it better than the pumpkin, but I just really like the apple cider scent. So I got another one of those. And then this was a new thing. I had debated on this because we use Downy, like, what is it? Downy April Fresh. We use Downy April Fresh and as like our fabric softener, but I really wanted to try this. Why it's losing his marbles. So we use Downy April Fresh as our fabric softener. But I really want to try it. This is the Mrs. Meyer's and Bluebell. So, I mean, I already know what Bluebell smells like. I love what Bluebell smells like. It's like my normal cleaner besides the apple cider. It smells pretty good. So, I'm excited to try this. I really only use fabric softener on like our towels and stuff and our sheets. So, I'll put that on. I'm excited. Ooh, Lisa! I got another one of these. I got one of these last month or the month before, and I really liked it. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get another one. This was free. This is Yes to Coconut Ultra Hydrating for Dry Skin, Energizing Coffee, 2-in-1 Scrub and Cleanser Stick. So that's what this is. Go. I don't know, how do you open it? Oh, it has a little sticky thing. I want to smell it. What's that? There we go. Smells like coffee. It has like a plastic thing. Okay, well I can't get that off. I'll work on getting that off. Probably have to push it up or twist it up. I feel like it works like deodorant. Yes, twist up stick from the base. Apply generously onto wet skin. Feel exfoliating. Form a little melt on contact. Massage with hands and rinse off. So this is for your face, but I think I've heard of other people using it on like their elbows or like other parts. So I probably got it more for like my body, but I might use it on my face first just to see, but I'll probably use it more on my body. Okay, this is Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. It's hand sanitizer or hand soap. And this was the limited edition scent for Grove Collaborative. It's Compassion Flower. I hope it smells good. Yeah, it does. It's definitely like a soapy floral scent, which is what I figured. But I mean, this is still, it's good. It's definitely good. Pansy, hybrid of pansy. Yeah, definitely get the pansy in it. Yeah, like this is good for like bathroom, downstairs bathroom. I like it. And then, what else? Got this little creature, the little tin to put everything in. Just like your basic Grove Collaborative tin. So everything can sit in here. It's nice and cute and small. So I'm excited to use that. So I kind of wanted something to like, because right now all of our cleaning supplies in the kitchen, they're taking over the windowsill. I need to clean out underneath the sink because that's really where most of the cleaning supplies go. But I've just kind of been putting all of them on the window right above the sink, and it's getting intense. So I want to get that to hopefully like just put, you know, this stuff in and the room refresher, you know, just kind of put that stuff all into one little container so it's contained and not taking over the windowsill. So I think that's it. Oh, nope, it's not. Forgot about this little guy. It's the Coconut Naturally Smooth Lip Balm, the Coconut Oil Therapy, yes, too. Forgot I got that. Lip balm. So I think that is it. Let me look at I think that's it. Surface cleaner, yep. Caddy, loofah, energizing coffee, Bentley's thing, and the hand soap. Yep. So that's it. That's everything. So if you like these videos of unboxing the Grove Collaborative, then let me know in the comments, subscribe, like. That really helps me to figure out kind of what you guys like to see and what you guys don't like to see. So I always enjoy these videos. I enjoy seeing kind of other people's opinions and reviews about different cleaning products. So and kind of like what stuff smells like. I feel like that's huge with ordering stuff that smells online, like candles, room sprays, stuff like that. Cause I feel like it is hard to order offline and really not know what something smells like besides just like the description of like, oh, it's pumpkin with nutmeg. Okay, well, pumpkin with nutmeg can, you know, smell great to one person, horrible to another person. So, you know, I don't even know where you can buy this brand, the Caldrea brand. I don't even know where you can buy it. I don't think I've ever seen it in a store before. So I'm really happy that Grove has it. And, you know, I debated on trying this one, but I was like, well, let's try it because it has nice little orange. Yeah, see what's it? It says, inspired by the sunny Ionian hillside by the sea. This textured, meticulously layered scent features citrus and melon with notes of linden blossom tea and oak moss. Yeah, so see, there you go. So the melon, I definitely get the citrus and the melon blossom. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's really not that floral. There's just like a tiny little hint. And yeah, the tea and the oak moss, that's like that like airy, like earthy smell that I get, but it's not overpowering. It's not, you know, it's not like sandalwood or where you're just like, oh, this smells like dirt. No, it's not like that at all. So, oh, I love it. Okay, so back to my closing. If you like this, subscribe, let me know so I can do more of these videos. I get these shipments once a month, and I love them. Okay, so I will talk to you guys later on. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. All right, bye.